Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a wall hop. First, you have to do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that. So, first, you have your screw here, like me, and then keep on jumping and spam shift lock. That's how you do it. And then I'm going to show you how to do very long ones. This very handy. First, okay, we're going to be able to do you know why? Because this bit, this bit, know how to set it up. First, when you're going to do it, it is locked. The arm glitches through the wall and gets stuck, and then you're able to jump. Like that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Bye guys. Shoo.